Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to lock your Facebook app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, in order to lock your Facebook app, you need to head over to your Play Store and download an app. Once you're in Play Store, type in App Locker and then skip the sponsored results and scroll down and click on App Lock by Kill Apps. Has over 10 million downloads. Click on install and give that a few moments to download and install. Alright, once that is downloaded and installed, click on open. Click on allow. Then click on start, bottom of the page. And you've got a few different options here. Unlock with fingerprint, use a code or a pattern. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use a pattern. Like so. You can add in recovery email or click on finish or both. And now you need to grant some permissions. So go ahead and click on grant permission. Click on app lock and toggle that to on. And then head back. There'll be another one to do. So click on grant permission again. Click on app lock. Toggle that on. Head back. And now you want to search for Facebook. Or you can just hit the magnifying glass and do a search. So Facebook. Click on that little lock icon. And when it turns blue, that means it's locked. So if I go back, try and get in the Facebook, it should be blocked. Yeah, there it is, guys. Got to add in the PIN code to access Facebook. If you want to lock other apps, head back to App Lock. Put in your code, and then just click on any one of these apps. And then click on the lock to lock it. So if I want to lock AFL, I'll go ahead and click that. Now it's locked. So if I go AFL, it's locked. So that's it, guys. How to lock apps, in particular Facebook, on your Android mobile device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.